Let's see if she can get it out. Every time I wash she clothes, that there, chop under there.
I'm good.
Go.
Get more.
When I wash her the license plate.
Okay. Ay, ay, ay.
Let's see if she can get it out. I'm not helping she, cause every time I wash it, that one just there, the dog take them up and teeth for.
I got it! Yes! Yes! I got it! Good. Guys, let me know if I should give him another lash or not. Let me know. But I got it.
Dog I'll wash again.
This year I'll go back on the line. This year I'll go under somebody fun.
You need washing again.
Yeah, but mommy, if I put it on in there, I can't go knock him down. Then you go and go put him under there again.
And the cat lock them down, I pull them down with the string.
Wait there, let me show you.
Cause the clothes be missing from the line.
Even there like a saw. Guys, even there like a saw, right? So maybe she wants saw. She wants saw.
The dogs? You see them?
No! What I just said, maybe.
This will be a TV. Up here. Take up this thing. That's what's cold.
Okay, let's just go, guys.
Dog teeth from in a clothes. That's a good video title. Look the cat. Warm to the cat eye.
What cat? Cat! You need to go and fight out that cat, Ada. Look at the other back of your eye.
Who cat do it? Or the dog?
You I don't even know what to say. Because people going to think that me too harsh.